Hey, this is Jeff again with the Valhalla Ventures, ReGuideService.com, REIGUIDESERVIS.com. I want to make a real quick video and talk about 3D printed houses. They are all the rage, and I get questions about them all the time. So I thought I'd go over a couple of my concerns with these. Now, I think the product itself is fantastic. I think the idea, the concept, everything about it, but you start getting into stuff like the specialty tools and the trades that need to be taught how to do each and every little thing. And then you start talking about scaling, and it becomes very difficult to get enough people and enough specialty products. And look at the size and scale of the setup. It's a lot more than what people really talk about. It might be weeks to set up just the framing and everything that goes along with it, and finding a concrete that mix that is just right for your area. Because if you don't, boom, you're going to have problems. It's going to be too thin. It's going to be too thick. It's going to dry too fast. You can do only so many layers one day and different layers the next. There's a lot of issues with it. And I'm not saying that it's a bad idea or something that you shouldn't look into, but I'm not sure it's necessarily shelf ready to get out there for the mass public and retail. I think personally it'd make great retaining walls, or to be able to put up privacy walls. You see a lot of concrete privacy walls and fake brick fences. I think this thing would be awesome for that. You can put it on like a rail system and just move it down without having to have setup and takedown, setup and takedown. But anyway, it's getting there. I love it. I love new stuff. Hopefully, it will get even better over time, and it's something that we can really do to help with our sustainability. Be blessed, bless others. ReGuideService.com. Later.